In this video, we'll show you exactly how to clean your stainless steel appliances safely and effectively. Stainless steel appliances add modern elegance to your kitchen, but they're prone to fingerprints, smudges, and grime. Regular cleaning keeps them looking polished, spotless, and extends their lifespan. Let's get started. Begin by gathering your cleaning supplies. Microfiber cloths, mild dish soap, white vinegar, olive oil or stainless steel polish, optional, and a soft sponge or cloth. Remove magnets, notes, and any items attached to your appliances. Start by wiping your appliance gently with a dry microfiber cloth or soft cloth to remove any dust, loose dirt, or debris from the surface. Mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap. Using a soft cloth or sponge, gently wipe down your appliance, focusing especially on handles, doors, and frequently touched areas to remove grime, grease, and fingerprints. For tougher smudges, fingerprints, or water spots, dampen a microfiber cloth lightly with a solution of equal parts white vinegar and water. Wipe the stainless steel surfaces gently in the direction of the grain. Vinegar helps dissolve persistent smudges effectively. After cleaning, dampen another clean cloth with plain water and gently wipe the surface again. This step ensures all cleaning solutions, soap, and vinegar residue are removed, preventing streaking. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to gently dry and polish the appliance. Wipe carefully along the direction of the stainless steel grain to enhance shine and ensure a streak-free finish. If you want extra shine, apply a small amount of olive oil or commercial stainless steel polish to a microfiber cloth. Gently buff your appliance in the direction of the grain to achieve a bright, reflective finish and provide a protective coating. Use a cotton swab or microfiber cloth lightly dampened with vinegar solution or mild soap to clean around buttons, knobs, and handles. Dry these areas thoroughly to prevent water spots or residue buildup. Regularly wipe down your appliances every few days with a dry microfiber cloth or mild soap solution. Frequent quick cleanings help minimize fingerprints and smudges, maintaining the sleek, polished look of your stainless steel. Avoid abrasive cleaners, bleach, steel wool, or scrubbing pads, as they may scratch or damage the stainless steel finish. Wipe up spills immediately, especially acidic substances, to prevent discoloration or staining. By following these simple yet effective steps, your stainless steel appliances will remain spotless, polished, and attractive for years. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips, and share your stainless steel care tips in the comments below. Happy cleaning!